We wanted to share with whoever uh, Thursday before the conference started on Friday. Thursday, Tim was ready to move out, packed up, ready to go. And our pastor, who we both really respect and love, we talked to him. And he said, before you do anything, we'd really like you to go to this retreat. He and his wife had gone to the retreat, and even as a pastor, as by your testimony, Joe, pastors have issues too, and they had reached an impasse in their marriage, and so they went on the retreat. They were able to actually go to Nashville. Anyway, so they were highly recommending it, and I was on board with it. I felt like we needed to do something, and Tim was, I think, willing to do it because he has God as his Savior. And so we opted to come in, and I have to say that for me, it has made me realize a lot of stuff about myself. It's been a wonderful, wonderful growing process. And Tim talks about we both speak English, but we're speaking different languages, but we're learning. So this has been fabulous. It's really been helpful.
Yeah, this has been a really good experience. In our troubles, there are no other people involved. It's just us. And I think our principal issue is communication. And I said in the breakout with Debbie, starting Friday, I thought, well, great, Dr. Joe's going to fix my wife, and then we'll have a much better relationship. And by Friday night, I was focusing on, I actually listed probably 8 things that I had been screwing up. And so my focus shifted from her over to me, and we don't speak a common language. And so for us, communication has been huge, which is odd because we're both retired military, and that language we spoke fine. We had no issues with that. But when we got home, it's like the language changed for me, from English to Russian, and for her from English to Chinese. And we'd stare at each other and like, did you not hear what I said? And she heard it, didn't understand it, and same for me. So for anybody out there that is really reluctant, particularly for the guys, this is amazing. You got to do it.